Hi, this is Alan at Ripperton Resources LLC, and today I want to announce our newest product, Packout and Wall Mount mounts for the 26-23 M18 Planer. We offer Packout mounts in red and black, and wall mount mounts in red and black. As with all of our Packout products, the mount is secured to the Packout wall plate using feet and latches into place. To install the mount, just simply push it up against the Packout plate, line it up, and push it down. And you'll hear that signature click, which means it's locked into place. To remove the mount from the Packout wall plate, simply press in the release tabs, push straight up and out. To install the planer onto our mounts, just simply push it into place using these two guides and having the base plate in between it, and just let it fall. And it's held securely in place. To remove it, just simply pull straight up. The wall mounts hold the planer in the same way that the Packout mounts do. They have two holes, 5 inches apart, using either a number 10 or a 5mm screw. We have all these in stock today, and you can get them at our website, rippertonresources.com. Ripperton Resources offers 3D design, 3D scanning, and 3D printing services. We can work with a wide range of materials, from general purpose materials to engineering materials to high performance materials and even ultra performance materials. Nearly all of our Milwaukee tool mounts are suggestions from customers. We've worked with them to provide a solution, and then we've made those available to you. If you have a custom application or product idea, we'd love to discuss it with you and show you how we can bring that idea to reality. For more information, you can visit our website at rippertonresources.com, or you can email us directly at contact@rippertonresources.com. Thank you and have a great day.